Hi everybody, this is Ivy Crearts and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, thank you so much for dropping by, and hopefully you will find this video really helpful and you will like and subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified of my upcoming videos. So for today's video, it will be another craft video in which I am going to make a pillowcase for this small pillows. What's special about these guys is that these pillows are always with us wherever we go. So we went as far as Maine in the East Coast, and then Washington in the West Coast, California, Florida, and everywhere actually in the United States, because we travel across the country just driving. And as you can see here, I just want to share this with you. The colored states are the ones we already went. I'm sorry for my ring light. And we just need to go to the central. Okay? And so like I said, these pillows have been with us ever since we started traveling. So they're already worn out, as you can see. So I want to make a cover for these pillows. So although they're really old, but they've been really helpful, functional. We also have a security blanket, and these are our security pillows. So join me as I make the cover for this pillows. Alright, so for today's project, I'm going to use these 3 fabrics. They're actually the same kind but different colors. They're polycottons. If you wash them, they're going to be soft. So I have this red bandana, teal, and blues. I have 3. So I actually already cut this red one, and it depends on how big or small your pillows are. And so I already cut this. And the measurement, I'm just gonna do it actual measuring of this in inches. So this pillow is 18 inches, as you can see there, and here is 11, so it is 18 inches by 11. So with that, I have here okay, so it's actually really long like that. It's long, so I cut that one right there. But here's what I did. So of course I folded the fabric like that. So just imagine I didn't cut that one, right? So I measured, remember that was 18 by 11, right? So here I measured 29. So this is 29 inches, and here is 15. So 29 inches and then 15 inches. And so I cut some part here. I folded twice like that, right side in, and then I cut this so that I can overlap it like at the back of the pillow, right? So it's going to be 14 inches. So from here you're gonna measure 14 inches from here, 14 inches, and then you're gonna cut it, and so you will have this. All right, so now you have this. So the point is, it'll be like this. So supposing this is the back, right? So what I'm gonna do is, of course, close this part here on this 3 sides, and then I have a little adjustment because I am going to make like a flap, 1 inch maybe, or 2, it depends, or 1.5. But the idea is it will be like this. So you're gonna like want to fold it a little bit, and then here as well. So this is the other part. I'm gonna fold it like this as well, and this will overlap, so like that. So this, it will overlap each other. So I still have like an extra here actually. So on the back it will have like somewhere to put it, but I'm gonna show you so it will not be so confusing. So here we go. So you are going to overlap it. I think 2 inches would be okay. Okay. Yeah, so here that's 2 inches. So you're gonna want to put this, the other one, 2 inches away from it. So it's like that, and then you're gonna overlap it like that. So it's 2 inches, right? Okay, I hope that makes sense. So it will be like when you open it, so this is the back, right? So you have like an opening where you can insert your pillow, if that makes sense. The next thing we're going to do is to stitch all sides here 1/4 of an inch, and that's going to be like somewhere here. So all of it 1/4 of an inch, everything, like all the rectangular side. Just make sure everything is straight, and then we're gonna cut this part. So by the way, don't worry, because my table is like all in one, and it doesn't scratch even if I use a rotary cutter. So now that we are done with all the sides, like, it's time to turn it right side out. So we are going to open it really well, like the edges. Okay, so it looks like this. Alright, so you can iron the sides if you want to, but as for me, that's okay. I will just make sure that I am going to get all the edges pointed. That's good. This one isn't that hard because it's not thick, so that's fine to do it like that. And last one, you can also use a pen to push it, but I think this is good. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so this is the last part. So I'm just going to stitch here and then another 1 inch over here. So I'm just gonna do it real quick. Step is your 1 inch. Okay, this is the last part. I just touched my 1 inch from the end of this side, and that's 1 inch right there. I don't know if you can see it. I'm using a gray thread. So close up, like I said, it's important to take note of this line. So I'm just gonna use this line right here. It's the second line, for it to have a uniform thickness of the fabric. Hey, finally we finished our pillowcase, and now this is the fun part, right? Okay, so we're gonna put it inside. If it's too long, then I guess I'm gonna use it for the orange one, but I think we'll see. Everything is good. Alright, so there you have it. Here's our pillow. There, it's so perfect, like the perfect fit. Here you go. This is my pillow. Yes, I am going to make another one, blue and teal. Alright, so here's the back. It's overlapped. There you go. Now it's time for my second pillow. And finally, I finished my shams or pillowcases. And I have the blue one. Oh, how vibrant the color is, right? So that's the blue one. And I have the red, the first one that I did. It was long, so I used it for the orange pillow, which is longer than the other two. And the teal one, which is like my favorite color. So there you go. These are the pillows now, and I hope you like it. If you do, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and click the notification bell so you will be notified of my upcoming videos. And by the way, I still have extras for more projects. Yay! Thank you, everyone. Bye. Thanks for watching.